Okay, wow. I thought yesterday was really demotivating as far as temperatures went. Today was really hard to get out of bed and away from the fan for even just a moment. But it's really nice that it's able to be set up just sort of wherever its two little feet can just kind of plant. So, today was one of those days where it was a lot of repetitious just plugging in, unplugging, plugging back in, unplugging it again. um I'm not having a good time. um but it's really funny looking through the technical support and just seeing how like frustrating this one particular problem is. But I'm learning a lot about Wi-Fi and how it connects to things and the fact that a lot of things just work better off of a 2.4 instead of a 5 as far as like these things go. So while a majority of the day has just been kind of frustrating and almost borderlines the definition of insanity, the other sort of quarter portion of it has been very interesting and educational. But it's all information that I didn't really want to know. Like, yeah. Um, I just want to get started on the recap, and I want to get away from this computer for probably the rest of today. Um, let's see. Is there anything else that I can share today? Did I work on anything else today? It was just Slime VR, what the internet, um, browsing through Discord, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the server connectivity thing is still a mystery to me, and I'm still doing research on it. But I don't think. hmm. So let's see. If I don't solve that, then what else could I work on? I don't know. Not only am I like really feeling demotivated just from temperature and just the repetition of the day, but I can't formulate ideas right now. Um, I need something with an ice cube in it. So I'm going to end it here. And I'll probably get started on the recap a little more when the sun goes a little further down. So, all right, Sunday.